Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's another cleaning video. I will be doing a speed clean, seeing how much I can get done in 1 hour. My name is Sonja. For those of you stopping here for the very first time, I do cleaning videos once or twice a week and paired up with organization and decluttering. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you press that subscribe button. I am obviously not looking my greatest. The hair is a mess. I've given up. I had a hair appointment on the 22nd, I think. Well, that got obviously canceled because the hairdressers are not working, and soon enough I won't be surprised if it's a full head of gray hair. So this week, if you watched my cleaning video and my day in life last week, I'm still working through some anxiety. It's not about working, it's not about staying at home, because I do stay at home all the time because I work from home, but it's just the anxiety of unknown, what's gonna happen, what's coming, and things like that, you know, fear of getting sick, fear of my family members getting sick and things like that. So unfortunately, so this week has been better, but I have been kind of feeling down last 2 days, so my house had suffered a little bit. I'm just watching my dog outside. He's being a little turkey. I'm just gonna show you. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know what he sees over there, but I have a feeling whatever it is gonna go after it. Now having him has definitely helped keeping us all busy and not kind of minds off of things. But so anyways, my house has gotten a little bit out of control. My husband's actually helping me. He's cleaning the kitchen, so I just came up. I'm gonna do a load of laundry. I'm gonna tidy up my bedroom, and I'm gonna move downstairs and see what needs to be done. I made a list. I'll show you the list. I'm gonna set the timer and I'm gonna get cracking. So here is my list. I have actually made a list for up until the first line is what I want done in an hour, and then the rest of it is for afternoon and tomorrow. But right now we're gonna concentrate on this part. So here's my bedroom situation. It's not horrible, but it is still morning. I haven't made my bed or anything like that. But first I'm going to move on to the laundry room and do a load and sort it out. I have fallen behind for the 2 days with laundry. I haven't done it, so gotta get that at least couple loads done today. So I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and start. Okay.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm, when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little through the grave.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like, you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, Yeah, how did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all. Don't want anything to do with you. This is my win. I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Yeah, not gonna start.
So I have just under 10 minutes to spare. I still have to vacuum and wash the floor. I'm just gonna use an wax mop to do that. My husband's gonna vacuum the floor and then I'll mop after him. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you tons of stay-at-home motivation to get just a little tasks done, and you can accomplish so much in just an hour, even under hour. And sometimes I even do 30 minutes and just really work hard for those 30 minutes to get things done. That way, when the deep cleaning comes and all that stuff, you don't have as much to do. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed and you like cleaning videos and you found this video motivational, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out my new uploads. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.